Your beliefs were not designed to be true, they were designed to keep you alive. In the hidden corridors of our neural architecture, survival is not just instinct, it is the sculptor of belief. Every myth, every narrative our brain clings to is a vestige of evolutionary necessity. Fear, trust, and tribal allegiance converge into cognitive shortcuts, guiding decisions faster than reason itself. Today, as science peels back these neural layers, we understand that what we call irrational beliefs are, in fact, survival strategies encoded in our synapses. The challenge for the modern mind, recognizing these inherited cognitive scripts and choosing when to follow them, and when to override them with conscious reason. Imagine the human brain as a biological supercomputer, optimized over millennia to survive in chaotic, dangerous landscapes. Myths are not frivolous stories, they are encoded protocols, neural pathways forged to interpret uncertainty, threat, and social hierarchy. When we cling to myths today, our brain is executing an ancient algorithm: stay safe, stay bonded, and avoid catastrophic error. Yet this same mechanism creates resistance to empirical truth. Our modern challenge is to debug these survival scripts, teaching the brain to distinguish adaptive belief from outdated cognitive reflex, without triggering defensive rejection. This is the frontier of cognitive mastery. At the intersection of emotion and cognition, survival-driven beliefs take root. The amygdala flags danger, the prefrontal cortex negotiates, and memory consolidates myths with precision unmatched by conscious reasoning. These beliefs persist because emotion imprints truth faster than facts ever could. Neuroscience reveals that challenging a myth is not a rational exercise. It is a negotiation with the emotional brain. To influence thought, to reshape belief, we must engage the neural circuits of survival itself, crafting evidence that resonates with instinct as much as intellect. Only then does science infiltrate the mind's deep architecture. Every belief is a fossil of evolutionary pressures. Survival-driven belief systems are the result of natural selection optimizing cognition for threat detection, social cohesion, and environmental prediction. Our ancestors' myths of gods, monsters, and moral codes were survival tools, designed to encode rules of life in narrative form. Today, these systems clash with empirical science, creating cognitive dissonance. The modern mind must reconcile these inherited heuristics with analytical reasoning, a delicate balancing act. Understanding this evolutionary context is not optional. It is essential for anyone seeking to lead thought, influence behavior, and design interventions at the highest cognitive level. Survival-driven beliefs are not immutable. They are etched into our neural networks, yet the brain's plasticity allows for transformation. Engaging these beliefs requires precision, narratives that resonate, evidence that appeals to survival intuition, and iterative reinforcement that rewires neural patterns. This is not persuasion. It is cognitive architecture in action. The executive challenge is profound. We are tasked with reshaping belief systems embedded over millennia, bridging instinct and intellect, myth and science. In mastering this interplay, we do not just convey knowledge, we engineer understanding at the level of the brain itself.